A CIDR represents a range of IP address. We know that any device that is connected to the internet has its own IP address. Let's keep that in mind and come back to that later. The address range that we have at hand is 10.0.0.0/24. Before going into the address range, let's first understand what is an IP address. Each IP address has 4 segments. Each segment has 8 bits starting from 0 to 255. So in total, an IP address has 32 bits. So when I say /24, it represents the number of bits that will be fixed in an IP address range. So when I assign the range 10.0.0.0/24, it means that the first 24 bits of this IP address cannot be modified. When my VPC has been assigned this range, it means my VPC can only have 256 IP addresses starting from 10.0.0.0 to 10.0.0.255. And whenever I create any resource within my VPC, I can assign IP addresses only from this range to those resources. So this is the high-level overview of a CIDR